Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasleem and today in this video we are going to discuss a very important GT topic, and that is advantages and disadvantages of using credit card. This GT topic has been once asked in Singapore Airlines as well, and this is a very important topic that you can expect in your exam too. Credit card is just a piece of paper, but it has so many advantages. And at the same time, something which is very important to us cannot be all good. We all know that it has so many advantages, but at the same time, it has too many disadvantages also. As there are always two sides of a coin, in the same way, everything has cons and pros. So it completely depends on us how we are going to use it. Let's talk about the disadvantages first. The main disadvantage of using credit card is that it encourages us to spend the money which we do not have. Okay, if we like something, then it encourages us to buy the same thing at the same time. And after buying, we come to realize that it was not that much important for us. And the most important thing that we need to know is that if we have borrowed money from a credit card company, they give us 50 days and 60 days time. If we pay the money back to them within these 50 or 60 days, then we do not need to pay any extra charge. And if we are not able to pay within 50 days, for example, they have given us a time of 50 days, and if we are not able to pay the money back to them within 50 days and we are paying the money back on 51st day, then we will have to pay the interest for all 51 days. The interest will start from the day 1 along with the principal amount. So I think that this is the biggest disadvantage of using a credit card, so we should use it wisely. Now we will talk about the advantages of using a credit card. Using a credit card has so many advantages. The first important advantage is that we do not have to carry a huge amount of cash with us. We do not need to be afraid that anyone will steal our money from us. If somebody steals our credit card, then we can just call the credit card company and we can block the credit card at the same time. Many car rental companies, hotels and airlines accept credit cards only, and they offer great discounts if we use credit card. It also helps us to build good credit card history. If you have good credit card history and if you are taking loan and paying that loan on time, you will build good credit card history with them. It will help you in future when you need to take loan. They will give you loan at less interest rate. So it provides so much additional benefits. So this was all for today. If you found this video helpful and if you liked my content, please do not forget to press that big fat like button because it motivates me to make more videos, and your appreciation matters a lot to me. And if you want such more videos, please let me know below in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching this video.